guys, today we're playing Roblox with my cousins. So what should we play? What if we play Brookhaven?
Nope.
Let's play Brookhaven.
What?
Let's play Brookhaven, friends.
With Christian? Christian's there, oh.
Christian's mommy is using his laptop or whatever. Anyways, guys. Hey guys, just kidding. Get tricked. Big? Big ngang balik.
Honey,
Oh,
wait lang. Alcohol lang ako. Lagdat ng ketchup.
and I got disconnected. I hope you all saw that. I just got disconnected with no reason. So anyway, Yabay, good job.
Dali, lagay ko dito, ah. Saka na.
Bro, we look the same.
Andyan ka na sa Brookhaven?
Yes.
Wait lang. Nagbibideo ka na?
It already started na.
Wait lang.
Look at the me. Baby, home baby, baby, sweet little baby. I don't think that I hate it because it's from the Mexico. Oh, I don't know. Because I'm from the Philippines.
Yeah. I go to Roblox.
Na 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 boom boom. Na 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 boom boom. Na 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 boom boom. Just get it.
Kami may dugo.
Ha?
Idugo ko.
Sino?
Ketchup.
Ay nako. Nice. No need to no tweaking me, okay?
Wait. Tawa ko.
It's the baby. Oh, this was funny. I'm sorry, babe. Why did you get into my car? No, what are you doing? I want to be forever, Mellower. Again. That's not
There.
Pretend it's a baby. Oh, what the?
Daddy. Daddy. Tignan mo. Daddy. Sabon.
What? Ah!
May sabon.
Sabon! You know what sabon mean? So, whatever you call it. Yeah, so, yeah.
I drink alcohol.
Friends! You're too young! Guys, spam in the chat that he's young, still young. Wait, what?
Cola, cheers.
Yeah, I just came right here from my talk while it's there. So, anyways, make sure to like and subscribe now. Bye!
Sarap